Alstom USA becomes the company's 15th international location to invest in ABI solutions to enhance its local electronics repair capabilities. The arrival of ABI's Revenge and BoardMaster to Alstom in Newcastle, Delaware, marks the start of a new era. Alstom teams will now be able to understand, troubleshoot and repair complex PCBs in-house, cutting costs, speeding up turnaround times, and extending the life of high-value systems. This is a major step forward for Alstom and the global repair don't waste movement that is driving real change in sustainability and resilience. Every time a company chooses repair over replacement, empowering engineers to solve problems, reduces the environmental impact of electronic waste, ensuring that high-value systems remain available when they are needed most.